Hi, I'm back to talk about drainage and foundations and waterproofing. And you can see bedrock always weeps water. It's just constant. It comes through the fissures in rock. You can see all these cracks in the rock. So we'll always have water coming through bedrock. And that's why it's so important how we do our foundations and how well they're drained and how well they're waterproofed. You can see all the clear stone we have behind this foundation here. Clear meaning no fines. It's just the stone itself. It's very good for drainage. We have our drainage pipe in as well. So we want to focus on getting the water to run away, but then on top of that, a good waterproofing foundation like this one, which is a spray-on product onto the ICF wall. And then what you have here is this plastic system here with dimples, and then the fabric as a drainage layer on top of that. So it'll drain really well. We'll get some more shots later. Thanks for watching.